Hi guys. I guess yesterday, I recorded it last week for you, but yesterday, you did your circle map about at least 4 special times you've had with your family. If you came up with more, that's great, okay? But we're going to be focusing on 4 of these together. Today we're just going to look at 2, and then tomorrow we'll look at the next 2, and we will decide which of our 4 is the best story for us to tell. And to do that and to write the best personal narrative we can, we're going to use something called a kernel essay. So I want you, let's take a few little notes on kernel essays so you know what that is, because it might be new to some of you. That pen is running out. I'm going to have to throw it away. Makes me sad. See? Remember my math story problem about it? Okay, so a kernel essay will help you answer the question, is my story worth telling? Because anytime we write a story, a personal narrative for somebody, we need to make sure that it's a good story and somebody might find it interesting so that they don't get bored when they read it. Okay? So in a kernel essay, there's 5 things that you're going to do. 5 things to make one paragraph and decide, is that a good story? Okay? So here are your 5 things. I want you, let's draw 5 boxes. So I'm going to start with one in the middle. I'm going to do one on this side and one on either side. It doesn't have to be super neat. Okay, there's my 5 boxes. The first thing you're going to tell me is, number 1, I can't write in my crease there. Number 1, where was I? Okay. Number 2, and if I go too fast, just pause this. What happened first? Number 3, what happened next? Okay, number 4, what happened last? And then number 5 is where we're going to tie in what we've been learning about the author's purpose and message. This is going to be our message. It's going to be, what did I learn or notice? Okay, so it's going to be our message we're trying to tell our readers. So what did I learn or notice? So this is going to be, what did we learn from that special time with our family? Okay, what did it make us realize about that? So what we're going to do today, I'm going to choose 2 of these, and I'm going to walk through a kernel essay with you. And I'm going to do a kernel essay for 2 of mine, and then you're going to do a kernel essay with 2 of yours. Okay? And then tomorrow we'll do our last 2, and we'll decide which is our best story to tell. So which story do I want to tell? Okay, so the first one I'm going to do is cooking with Ty. All right, so then you can see I labeled it that this is a kernel, and I'm literally going to put 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and I'm going to answer those 5 things. So where was I? I'm going to put Ty and I were in the kitchen. Okay. Number 2, what happened first? Ty told me he wanted to help Okay, what happened next? I told him to get the eggs and sausage. Okay, what happened last? I showed him how to make egg muffins. Now, this doesn't have a lot of detail, but it will see, do I have enough good things that I could write a good story? And after we get done with our kernel essays for all 4, you might think that you have a good story to tell for all of them. So you'll just get to pick your favorite. Okay, what did I learn? I learned that even when cooking with my son is a special time. Okay, so that was really fast, didn't take a lot, but that was my kernel essay for Cooking with Ty. Okay, now, all right, let's see, what was my other ones? Ooh, I have so much in this journal already. Oh, let's do the new puppy one. Okay, so new puppy. Kernel. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so where was I? I was sitting at home watching a movie, and I ran out of room. That's okay. I just went on that line. Okay, what happened first? My husband called and said he had, I'm getting messy here, a surprise. My sentences get a little crazy there. Okay, what happened next? He stepped out of the car with a white fur ball. I'm not even kidding. Big old fluffy white fur ball. The last thing that happened, my kids started crying. They were so happy. Okay, and what I learned, let's see. Oh, what did I learn? Surprises. And remember, this is all about a special time, so I need you on what you learned. You need to tie it back into how it was a special time. So surprises can make special memories with your family. Okay, so that was me modeling 2 examples of a kernel essay. Tomorrow I'll do my next 2. Your job right now is to go back, look at your circle map, okay? Look at your circle map, decide which 2 things you want to do a circle or your kernel essay with, choose 2 and do 2 for me, and you're going to attach them because I want to see your kernel essays, okay? All right, guys, do your best.